If you've ever tested a large lightning protection system or chased equipment grounds around a big facility, you know continuity testing can be slow, awkward, and honestly a pain in the neck, literally. Today, we're introducing the point-to-point continuity tester model CA6011 from AEMC Instruments, a unique, wrist-worn test instrument that's lightweight, fast, and simple for verifying grounded pathways and connections over long distances, even in hard-to-reach locations, so you don't have to worry about that unnecessary strain. Setup is simple. Clip the real lead to your reference point, like the main ground bus or conductor, strap the display to your wrist, and walk the system with the continuity probe testing multiple contact points under test. When the instrument detects a low resistance path below your programmed threshold, the screen turns blue and you get clear visual, audible, and vibration indications, so you can confidently verify continuity in any environment. The 6011 is designed to verify electrical continuity of grounded systems and perform resistance measurements on systems like lightning air terminals that rely on solid bonding back to Earth. You can quickly verify that a low resistance conductive path exists from the air terminal through the lightning protection system by connecting to a known ground point and testing along the conductor. The CA6011 confirms continuity across the entire bonded pathway using up to 200 mA output, with automatic polarity reversal for greater accuracy. It's also ideal for verifying a conductive path on equipment grounds, static systems, ground electroconductors, and even continuity on de-energized phase conductors throughout large interconnected systems. You can set the CA6011 to use a 1 ohm or 2 ohm continuity threshold, helping align your pass-fail criteria with the safety standards or site requirements you're working under. In continuity mode, the lead compensation function automatically subtracts resistance of your test leads, resulting in more accurate readings. What you see is the resistance of the connection itself, not your cables. Continuity tests are driven with a 200 mA test current and automatic polarity reversal. That means it measures in both directions and averages the results, giving you stable, repeatable readings on low resistance paths. This also ensures external sources of EMF do not influence the measurement results. When you don't need a full continuity test, switch to resistance mode. Here, the CA6011 measures from 1 to 199 ohms, ideal for general resistance and connection checks. In both modes, the instrument automatically displays OL when the reading exceeds 20 ohms in continuity or 200 ohms in resistance, so you know when a connection is out of spec or open. If the model CA6011 detects more than 6 volts on the circuit, it protects you by disabling the measurement. The large backlit LCD display with intuitive color feedback turns red. A warning symbol appears, and the unit alerts you with sound and vibration. It also provides overvoltage protection up to 300 volts Cat 4, giving you robust protection from work in demanding electrical environments when used as specified. Once it's on and in test mode, you don't have to push a test button for every measurement. Just touch the probe to each point, and the instrument automatically drives current and updates the reading. That keeps your workflow fast and hands-free. The model CA6011 is built for daily field use. It comes with a comfortable elastic wrist strap and durable housing designed to handle real job site conditions. Powered by 4 standard AA batteries, the instrument can deliver up to 30,000 measurements in typical operation. It's ideal for troubleshooting long-distance grounded pathways, as well as commissioning or large inspections. The model CA6011 is available as a standalone instrument, which includes the meter with wrist strap, batteries, and a user manual. For extended fieldwork, choose the continuity testing kit. It has a long 150-foot lead on a spool, a dedicated continuity probe, a 5-foot red lead, a 5-foot black lead, a black test probe, and a tool bag, so everything travels together and is ready when you are. Across applications ranging from lightning protection and traffic control, to bonding verification in swimming pools, solar farms and data centers and utility installations, the model CA6011 offers a dependable, straightforward method for confirming low-resistance connections where safety is critical. With its wrist-mounted design, long-range reel, clear pass-fail feedback, and robust safety features, the model CA6011 continuity tester from AEMC Instruments makes long-distance continuity testing faster, simpler, and more efficient.